first thing obviously is we schedule and get your appointment set up. During that first part of the day, you're going to get an update call. When our technicians are actually dispatched to your home, you're going to get a nice text message or email with their bio and who they are. And then once we get there, our technicians are super friendly and thorough, and they're going to go through your home's entire heating and air system. The whole idea here is to make sure that everything is safe, that it's operating at its best, performance, and also that there's nothing that's going to jeopardize how long the system is going to last. So as we go through that, our technician is going to have some questions for you, just because even though how these things run, we are, the experts on how mechanically they're supposed to run, the safety. But what we also want you to realize is that you live in the home, and that means that you know how that system kicks on, kicks off, what it sounds like, what are the things that you like and don't like. Those are important things for us to know as we look through your system. Now, they'll go through and they're going to actually do several tests, making sure all the safeties are working. We're also going to test what we call airflow, which means the air moving through your ductwork system. And then finally, just to make sure everything is dialed in to the best that it can possibly be. Now, we do that essentially twice a year, and we look at your whole entire system each time. So heating and cooling each visit. We'll go through your drain lines for your AC system and your heating system. And again, just making sure everything is its best possible shape.